In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your PayPal business account back to a personal account. Maybe you initially set up your account to handle business transactions, but now find that a personal account better suits your needs. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through the process based on PayPal's current policies and user experiences. First, let's talk about what PayPal officially states. According to their help center, most business accounts can't be automatically downgraded. If you're considering making this switch, you may need to close your existing business account entirely and then open up a new personal account. This is especially important if you want to reuse the same email address. Now, I know that can sound like a hassle, but don't worry, there are options available to ease this process. Let's dive into your options. One route is to directly contact PayPal support and formally request a downgrade. Here's how you can do that. Start by logging into your business account. Once you're in, navigate over to the Help section and click on Contact Us. From there, you'll want to specifically request that your business account be downgraded to a personal one. Be prepared for some verification steps like confirming your identity and account details, because PayPal really takes security seriously. Some users have found success using this method, so it might just work for you too. If you find that working directly with PayPal support isn't quite cutting it, or you'd prefer another way, the alternative is to open a separate personal account. To do this, you'll want to register with a different email address from the one linked to your current business account. PayPal does allow you to have both one personal and one business account per user, so you won't be breaking any rules here. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that if you need to reuse the bank or card details associated with your business account, you may still need to close that account. Another approach is to reach out to support and see if they can manually unlink those financial details from your business account, allowing you to reuse them for your new personal account. Each of these approaches comes with its own set of challenges and nuances, depending on your specific situation. While it may seem a bit of a process at first, the goal here is to help streamline your account management on PayPal, ensuring it fits perfectly with your needs. So there you have it. Whether you're choosing to make a direct request with PayPal support or branching out with a new personal account, these strategies offer you paths to consider. I hope this guide has helped clarify things and makes the transition smoother for you. If you have any questions or run into any hurdles along the way, PayPal's customer service is an excellent resource to consult. Best of luck with your account changes.